Make your pictures look their best. Correct blurry and dark pictures, change the look with artistic effects, and add borders or shadows to make pictures stand out. To adjust the brightness, contrast, or sharpness, select the picture and then select Corrections. Hover over the options to preview the correction and select the one you want. You can also change the look of a picture. To add an artistic effect, select the picture, select Artistic Effects, and then select the effect you like. Changing the color works the same way. Just select Color and the option you want. Select Picture Effects for even more options, like Shadow, Reflection, Glow, Soft Edges, Bevel, and 3D Rotation. You can also add a border. First, select the picture and then select a border. Adding effects can increase the file size. If your file gets too large, select Compress Pictures to reduce the size. Finally, if you decide you don't like your changes, simply select the picture and select Reset Picture.